Hello students, okay, this is still the same example. We will look at part B. So we're supposed to find x, right? And for B, you can see the terms are not arranged in ABC format, so we can rearrange it a little bit. So that you can see the A term, the B term, and the C term. And if you remember, completing square doesn't involve the number, the C term. You can move it to the right. Which will give you negative 11, right? You can also, since this is negative, you can also make it positive because this is an equation, right? You multiply everything with negative 1, right? So you can change the sign, right? But again, you can only do this if it's an equation, right? That means you have the equal sign. You can't do this if it's an expression without the equal sign, right? Because you need to multiply the left side and the right side of the equal sign. Okay, so now we can do complete square. This is plus 1. Okay, we do not need to factorize because it's positive 1. So immediately we can do completing square, right? And minus off the extra number like this. So I'm not using square bracket because we do not need factorization, right? So this is going to be plus minus square root 20 right? And you will have two answers, positive and negative, and the square root 20 can be further simplified, right? Because we can break down into the factors. One of the factors is 4. When you square 4, you can get an integer, right? A positive integer. So that means square root 20 you can simplify, right? We will simplify into the factors. 4 times 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 5 is decimal. So you can just keep it as square root 5, right? Even in exam, you do not need to put in the decimal. You can just keep the answer as square root 5, right? So this is the answer.